Your average Joe Realtor. Welcome to the historic lofts at Westinghouse Plaza in Hyde Park, Boston, Massachusetts. This unit is fantastic. It's handicap accessible. It's in a beautiful industrial era warehouse building with steel beams, exposed wooden beams in the ceiling. The ceiling height is about 14 feet here. Stunning window height, probably 10-foot windows, bringing natural light into the space. Gorgeous pre-engineered wood flooring in here. A separate office space, wide open floor plan, dining room, open to living room. You have a separate bedroom space, two deeded off-street parking spaces. It's just a fantastic location to access the highway, to also commute into the city. You can get to 2 nearby train stations walking distance from here. There's a cool brewery right next door in the same industrial space. Just an awesome, one of Boston's hidden gems. Check it out.